everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Queen from the 10th to the 14th of October 2022 on Monday. Tebelihle goes against Brutus' wishes regarding Nkosi yabo. Londiwe sees Antiteliwe in a new light after she reveals the reason why she was overprotective. Mpumelelo makes a tough decision regarding his family freedom on Tuesday. Nkosi yabo sink deeper into the drug quagmire. Schumacher sees a mystery woman and is blown away. Later is turned away by Londiwe and Antiteliwe's newfound warmth on Wednesday. Nkosi yabo hit rock bottom. Londiwe begins her recovery journey on Thursday. Nkosi yabo is ready to get help and turn his life around. There is a possible new love interest in Schumacher's life on Friday. Antiteliwe tried to get Londiwe and Duma to reconcile. Brutus struggled with what to do about Nkosi yabo. Schumacher lays on the charm for Andiswa. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.